Welcome to Musical Menus. Now, I have a confession to make. I'm not very good at cooking gluten-free dishes. Not because I don't want to, it's just that I've never really sort of concentrated on getting the balance right, but I am making a big change. The next few Musical Menu shows will all be about gluten-free baking. Today, we're going to start with this beautiful little lemon bar. Now, I did promise you that in Musical Menus we were going to have actual musicians playing. We haven't been able to do that because of the restrictions from COVID, but we can do it now. Very exciting. So what I decided is to get a few musicians over and I'd cook something and play. And it just so happens that my friend Matthew Kimbon is here. Insert applause now. That'll go in later, the applause. Yeah. Now, Matthew, you were diagnosed as a celiac at age 50.
That's right, yes.
How annoying.
Yes, it was very annoying. I love bread and cake.
Yes. I was actually saying how annoying for me, because it means I have to cook an extra thing for you every single time. It doesn't matter, we'll work that out. Now I've made this beautiful little thing. It's a lemon bar. I'm going to show you how to make it and you can go and make it at home and then send me a picture, okay?
I can do that, yeah.
You have to make it, not your wife. You have to make it.
Okay.
Okay, good. Right, now you can just, why don't you go over and sit over there, have a coffee or something, and I'll get going.
Fantastic.
Now the base is really simple. We've got 200 grams of almond meal, we've got 75 grams of sugar and a couple of tablespoons of corn flour with 100 grams of butter. All you really need to do is throw it all into your food processor and blitz it up. Now I'm using half lemon juice and half passion fruit juice, and I'm afraid there's no easy way to get passion fruit juice apart from putting it through a sieve and then sitting there with a spoon and forcing it through. But unfortunately you're left with all this beautiful pulp. Look, I suppose I could actually get someone to actually take all the seeds out. In fact, Matthew, you're not doing anything. Why don't you come and take all the seeds out for me?
No.
Oh, okay, fine. Don't do it then. It's not as if I'm like cooking a whole thing for you. I mean, I don't really cook gluten-free stuff, but that's fine, that's fine. Okay, let's move on, shall we? Two, three. Beautiful playing, guys. Now here we have my gorgeous gluten-free lemon bars. Before we go on, this is Minjin. Minjin plays as a casual with the Queensland Symphony Orchestra. Now, you're going to teach me how to make kimchi, is that correct?
That is correct.
Is this your mother's special recipe?
It's a secret recipe.
Oh, so we're not allowed to tell you what's in it?
Maybe.
Sorry, Mum. And Marion is a very old friend, well, she's not that old, and she is going to come along and do some more vegan cooking with me. So that's going to be good. We're going to do some nut loaf and things like that and play some bass music with you. And Matthew, well, you've seen him. So anyway, try these beautiful. Tell me what you think. Go on, dig in. Go on, quick. Haven't got all day. Yeah, and don't drop.
What about me, Craig?
Oh, that's right. It's got egg in it. So and butter. So you can't have any, but you could have the carrot. There we go. Here we go. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this musical menu. Oi, shh, I'm still going. I hope you've enjoyed this musical menu. It's my first gluten-free recipe. More to come, and some kimchi and some vegan food. If you like musical menus, please go to YouTube and hit subscribe, or you can find me on Facebook and Instagram. If you want the recipe, go to musicalmenus.com.au. Shall we do a bit more playing? No, let's just eat. Okay. Cut. It's very noisy in the suburbs. Night's often better. When schools were off, we had to keep stopping because there were kids jumping on trampolines outside. I wasn't going to go outside. Shut up, you kids. If only we had a lawn. Okay.
And if you pause there, I'll get you to, can you tip it back in?
I can do this.
It's like rehearsing.
Craig, do you have any advice for someone like me, not a kitchen whiz? I would probably prefer to eat the cupcakes than bake them.
Yes, it's very easy. You just call me. Call me now.
And I can just...
You can take one with you.
Okay,
Two even.
Thank you.